Hey guys, it's Alex here. Hey, I want to go through our Discord server. I received a lot of requests to go through every channel and kind of explain what we do here. And hopefully you guys find this useful. So I'm going to get right into it and not bore you guys with everything that I have to say. So when you guys join our server, whether it's through someone else sending you a link to our Discord server or through our TikTok, you'll probably get a personal DM from a bot, and it'll say exactly this, what you see on the screen. So when you join our Discord server, you'll probably want to go through each channel just to familiarize yourself with it. But I'm going to briefly go over each one and what they're used for. So when you first join, you'll probably receive this message, which I have written up for you guys. It's just a little welcome message that says that we're glad that you guys join our community. It's free, but we do offer a VIP group, and I'll be going over some of the VIP perks today as well. So that's the first channel that you guys will probably see. You guys will see a lot of channels that you probably won't see first off unless you subscribe to the VIP service, but I'll make sure to go through each one of those, okay? So the next channel you'll see is how to join our VIP group, and John lays it out kind of perfectly right here for you guys. You'll go to our website, which the link is right here. You can read more about what we do as a community, and the link's right there. And how to access it is a little YouTube clip that we have right there. It's pretty simple. If you guys want to sign up, it's pretty straightforward once you get on the website. We have our prices there. Then we have our terms of service and rules all laid out here. I suggest you guys go over those. We have a lot of rules, but we're pretty lenient on some of them. We just don't want any havoc being caused in our group. We want to keep it professional and a learning environment for you guys, so don't forget to go through all those things, okay? We have the Meet the Team channel. A couple of them aren't here right now, but I'll make sure to edit that. But we have John and I who created this channel for you guys. So be sure to look out and read through all those, okay? You'll familiarize yourself with us as a team, and you can grow closer to us, okay? We have our testimonials. We have a bunch of testimonials from some of the VIP members who've joined our VIP and started to see some green in their portfolios. So go through and read those if you're thinking about signing up. They're pretty interesting. We have some great testimonials and some good stories that I've enjoyed reading through, okay? So go through that. We have our affiliate program, which you guys don't really need to look into that right now. We just have a little side affiliate program for those who want to help us out in spreading the word out about our group, okay? And then we got our invite link. So if you want to invite anyone, you can either create your own invite link by clicking this little person icon on any of the channels, or you can just copy and paste this one. That's why I made the channel. And then we have our contact info. If you guys have any questions about anything, we usually reply like pretty quick. So if you want to reach out to us, you can make a ticket or DM one of us. You can see on the right side of your screen right here, you can see me. This is me. And then we have a couple of the senior VPs and support staff. So you can message any one of us and we'll be glad to help you, okay? For some of our VIP members, they like to post their gains and losses depending on the day for stock trading. So you can go through there and see all these people, their gains for the day or throughout the week or whenever they post them. It's just a fun little thing to look through to see what people are getting into. See Eddie here. You should read Eddie's testimonial. He's awesome. Shout out to Eddie. But he made $600 last week in a single day. This is one of the lock channels, the Watchlist. So we post our watch lists pretty much every day of what we're looking at stock-wise in the market in this channel. So if you guys are a VIP member, these are the channels that you want to look for, the ones with the little lock symbol right here. We have charts and analysis. Me and John and some staff members post some charts and kind of going along with our watch list. We watch for these breakouts and patterns and stuff. And if you guys have questions about those, we can definitely help you out with if you have any questions about that. Okay. This is the Imposter Alerts channel. A lot of people spam in our channel, sadly. So you guys can post, if you guys get spam messages or anything, you can post a screenshot, or you can just tag those people in this channel, and we'll take care of it. We'll kick them out. This is our profit and loss log. We're going to put the February profit and loss log probably today. We're going to keep that more up to date for you guys, so you guys can see what plays we get into for options and stocks, and you can see how we're doing as a team. It's a good little thing. Okay. We have our earnings calendar, which is for everyone. The imposters, the profit, loss, and log, and the earnings calendar is for everyone. I post these weekly on Sundays, usually Saturdays or Sundays, and I post the earnings reports for the companies that are upcoming for the week after. Those earning reports are kind of fun to play with during the week. You can play earnings run-ups, which we like to do a lot, and can make some money doing that. This is our announcements channel. Anything important that we feel that is important, we will put in that channel. It's usually John. Our daily recap channel, where me and my team, we post what we are looking at, how our day went, and what plays we got into. And that's for the VIP members. We have our bots channel. Lots of text is going on, but we have a special options bot is what it's called, and can post charts and give a lot of awesome details for you guys. And if you guys have questions about what commands you can use in this channel, there's a lot of different commands that can help you out with information about stocks that we're getting into or anything. We usually use it for charts, so it's really useful. We're going to have more bots as time goes on. All right, and then we have the chat section. We have the trading chat, which where me, the team, and all of the VIP members talk about our plays and what's going on. Lots of charts and stuff in here too. We have our long-term chat, which we talk about long-term plays and stock investing. And then off topic, if you guys want to mess around and talk about things other than stocks, just go in there. We have the free chat for all members. It is pretty active in here as well. There's a lot of smart people in here. If you guys have any questions, you can ask in there too. Anyone, it's just a good community to be in, that we can all just talk about stocks or pretty much whatever. We have questions. You can post specific questions in there. Anyone can, and we'll get back to you. And this is probably what you guys will want to look out for and add notifications on, is the option alert channel, or the section, sorry. So you have me, John, Tim, Kindred, Eva. We have the small account challenges. We have the 100 to 1K account challenge. Then we have the 500 to 10K account challenge, which is open to everyone. These last three is open to everyone. So we have free alerts. We give out free alerts to our option plays every now and then. And John takes care of the small account challenge, which you guys are probably familiar with. And then we have JP, JP is awesome. He does SPAC companies and penny stock alerts. So watch out for those. Each one of us analysis have like a special way we trade. So you guys can follow whoever you guys like the best. So like me and John, we like to swing trade, and Kindred is more of a day trader. Tim is more of a long-term options leap investor. And then Eva is more of a day trader and swing trader as well. And then we have the stock investing side. We're going to be adding more to this as time goes on, which is going to be really fun. We have the long-term trades. We alert stocks that we get into and that are catching our eye. And we have the education tab, which is really important for all you newbies. I posted a lot of new things this last weekend for all the newcomers, and hopefully you guys find that useful. So right here, the live streams, will probably be posting live streams that we do, excuse me, on Zoom or whatever, or on TikTok if I remember to record them. And then we have our socials. We post our TikToks that we create in here, and maybe Instagram posts or anything like that in here. And we have the investor advice channel, which is really important for the newbies, like I was saying a little bit earlier. If you guys have no idea what you're doing in the stock market or anything, I would suggest you start here and start watching some of these videos, which are really awesome. I highly, highly, highly recommend these videos. Okay. We have the free stuff channel, which has our links if you guys want some free stocks and whatnot. Okay. And then live chat and after hours chat. That's just our live chat channels. I hope that I didn't bore you guys too much. I bored myself going through this, but I hope you guys found this useful. If you guys want me to post any more videos like this, please tell me, and I can go through specific channels more. But this was just a little overview of what we do as a community of traders, and we have a lot of fun in here. So if you guys haven't even joined yet, join and say hi, and we'd love to say hello to all you guys. But for right now, I'll try to keep this as short as possible so you guys don't get really bored. So I'll see you guys in the chat. Okay, see ya.